Have you ever wondered why peacocks are so incredibly beautiful? These magnificent birds, with their iridescent plumage and extravagant tail feathers, are a sight to behold. Their vibrant colors are not just a random splash of nature's palette, but rather a complex interplay of microscopic structures that scatter light to produce a captivating display of hues. Now let's take a closer look at these colors. The peacock's body is cloaked in shimmering blue and green, while its tail feathers, or train, boast an array of eye spots rimmed with gold, green, red, and blue. But what's truly fascinating is that these colors are not due to pigmentation. They are structural colors, created by the way light interacts with the layered cells on the peacock's feathers. When light hits these layers, it is reflected and refracted, creating the dazzling colors that make peacocks so enchanting. Peacocks are among the largest flying birds. Their length can reach up to 4 feet, and that's without considering their impressive train, which can extend an additional 5 feet. Now, that's a lot of bird. But not all peacocks are created equal. There's a clear difference between males and females. The males, or peacocks, are the ones with the flashy plumage we all associate with these birds. The females, or peahens, on the other hand, are less ostentatious. Their feathers are mostly brown or gray, which helps them blend in with their surroundings and protect their young from predators. So why the stark contrast? Well, it all boils down to one thing: attraction. Male peacocks flaunt their vivid feathers and perform elaborate displays to catch the attention of the less colorful peons. It's a classic case of nature's version of dressing to impress. Indeed, peacocks are a testament to nature's artistic flair. Their beauty is not just skin deep, or should we say, feather deep, but extends to their complex behaviors and the role they play in the ecosystem. As we delve deeper into the world of peacocks, prepare to be amazed by the secrets these majestic birds hold. But did you know? The peacock's beauty isn't just for our admiration. Indeed, the peacock's radiant display serves a critical purpose in the grand scheme of nature. This vibrant spectacle is more than just a feast for our eyes. It's an essential component of the peacock's mating ritual. The male peacock, or peafowl, uses his spectacular fan of feathers to catch the attention of the female peahen, and it's quite the sight to behold. Now imagine being a peon in the wild, casually going about your day, when suddenly, the forest comes alive with a burst of color. You turn to see a peacock, his plumage unfurled in a dazzling array of hues, shimmering in the sunlight. It's like witnessing a living, breathing work of art. But it's not just the colors that captivate, it's the patterns too. The peacock's tail feathers are adorned with what appears to be eyes. Yes, you heard it right, eyes. These are not real eyes, of course, but intricate patterns that mimic them. These eye patterns are thought to play a crucial role in the peacock's courtship display. Science suggests that peahens are particularly attracted to these eye patterns. The more eyes a peacock has on his tail feathers, the more attractive he is to potential mates. It's a classic case of the more the merrier. And it's not just a static display, oh no. The peacock dances, shaking his tail feathers rhythmically, creating a mesmerizing performance. This dance, combined with the shimmering colors and eye patterns, makes the peacock irresistible to the peahen. It's all about flaunting what you've got in the world of peacocks. So the next time you see a peacock showing off his splendid plumage, remember, it's not just a vanity fair. It's a ritual as old as time, a dance of love and attraction, a testament to the fascinating ways of the natural world. A peacock's display truly is a mesmerizing performance. The peacock's allure doesn't stop at their visual appeal, but extends to their unique vocalizations. Ever heard a peacock's call? Peacocks have an array of distinctive calls, each serving a different purpose, from mating to warning and even communication with their young. These sounds are as unique and fascinating as the birds themselves. Their calls can be as varied as the stunning colors in their plumage. Let's begin with the peacock's mating call. This is a loud, high-pitched kee-ow sound that the males use to attract females. This call could be compared to a cat's yowl, but with a musical undertone. It's a sound that can carry over long distances, ensuring that the females in the vicinity are well aware of the male's presence. Next, we have the warning call. This is a harsh, repetitive caw-caw-caw sound that peacocks use to alert other birds of potential danger. It's a jarring sound, designed to grab attention and incite a quick response. Interestingly, peacocks are often kept in gardens for their role as an avian alarm system, thanks to this effective warning call. Lastly, there's the communication call with their young. This is a soft, gentle cooing sound, much like a dove's coo. The parent birds use this call to communicate with their chicks, guiding them, teaching them, and ensuring their safety. It's a tender sound that showcases the nurturing side of these majestic birds. Another interesting fact is that peacocks can recognize their own calls. Each bird has a distinctive voice, and they can identify each other based on their unique vocalizations. This ability to recognize individual voices helps maintain social hierarchies within peacock communities and contributes to their complex social interactions. So, in the world of peacocks, it's not just about looking good, it's about sounding good too. Their calls are an integral part of their behavior, serving various purposes from attracting a mate to protecting their brood. So, peacocks not only look good but sound fascinating as well. Peacocks are more than just their dazzling feathers and unique calls. What other secrets do these fascinating birds hold? Peacocks, in all their splendor, are not just about beauty and spectacle. Their lives are filled with nuances and capabilities that may surprise you. For instance, despite their large size and heavy plumage, peacocks are able flyers. Yes, these seemingly earthbound birds can take to the skies, especially when they need to escape predators or roost in trees for the night. Their lifespan might also catch you off guard. A peacock, in a healthy, safe environment, can live for up to 25 years. That's a quarter of a century of gracing the world with their vibrant presence. Their diet, too, is a topic of interest. Although they are known for their preference for insects and plants, peacocks are actually omnivores. They won't shy away from small creatures like amphibians and reptiles, showcasing a more audacious side to their character. But peacocks don't just fascinate us with their physical traits and behaviors. They have also found a significant place in different cultures and mythologies around the world. In Hinduism, the peacock is associated with the deity Lord Krishna, known for his love of these birds. In Greek mythology, the peacock's tail is linked to the eyes of Argus, a giant with 100 eyes. Even in contemporary culture, the peacock symbolizes nobility, holiness, guidance, protection, and watchfulness. Interestingly, the term peacock only refers to the males of the species. Females are known as peahens, and together they are called peafowl. The males are the ones with the extravagant plumage, used primarily to attract the peahens. A peacock's train, which makes up about 60% of its body length, is not its tail but rather elongated upper tail coverts. So, beyond the beauty and the spectacle that we associate with peacocks, lies a world of fascinating facts and intriguing capabilities. These birds are not just about the display. They are a testament to nature's endless wonders and variety. Beauty, charm, and mystery, peacocks truly have it all. So, what have we learned about these magnificent birds today? We've discovered that the peacock's vibrant colors and spectacular fan display aren't just for show. These dazzling features serve a purpose, playing a critical role in their mating rituals. The males, with their iridescent plumage, strut their stuff to attract mates, flaunting their feathers in a breathtaking display. Their unique calls have also piqued our interest. These sounds, far from ordinary bird song, are another tool in their mating arsenal, used to signal their availability and prowess to potential mates. Beyond their obvious beauty, we've delved into some lesser-known facts about their lifestyle. We've learned that peacocks are ground feeders and, despite their grandeur, are surprisingly adept at flying. Their significance in various cultures as symbols of immortality, royalty, and spiritual awakening has also been touched upon. Peacocks, with their stunning beauty and fascinating behaviors, remind us of the wonders that nature has to offer.